welcome back to the channel. Today, sorry if I'm a bit bumpy, today we are going to Gulliver's World in Warrington. So that's about 2 hours away, and we've had it booked for ages, quite a while, and they're doing a special needs or a session from 10:30 to 5 o'clock, so we're going there today. So I will vlog all what we do. So we're just leaving, it's 8 o'clock, 10 past 8. So I just thought I will vlog it. If you're new, I am Kate or Katie, Si or Simon, and we've got Kai who is 3, Jack who is 8, and Ellie who is 7. Jack and Ellie are special needs if you're new, so that's why we're going today. So I hope you enjoy the vlog, and we'll catch you up later.
Jack. Hello.
Daddy.
Hello.
Hello.
You gonna put your head through?
I want to mind it.
Come on then. You put your head through that one.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. through. Kai, do you want your head through with Mummy? You gonna put your head through, Jack? Look at the boats.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh then, later. We'll have an explore first.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, there's that poo.
Yeah. Go on then. Jack. Jack. Kai, you have to go up. You have to go up there, I think. No, hang on. Yeah. Jack, I think you have to go this way. Hi, Jack. Look. I don't know. I don't know where Mummy is. Look, pirate. I see you, Mummy.
Right. We're in a maze. Go on then, you two. What, which way now? Which way do you want to go? Which way? Which way, Elle? You want to go? You want to go this way, Elle? You want to go this way? Say hello. Oh, we can't go that way. Come on then. Come on then. Oh, which way now, Elle? Well. Oh, Ellie. Okay, darling. It's a maze. Which way now, Elle? Good. Oh, we can't go this way. We're going to go back. Let's go back. Oh, which way now, Elle? Which way?
Daddy!
We're on a maze. Right, this way, darling. We're here now. You want to get out? Hi. What? Where are you, Jack? Where's Jack? Oh, where are we going to go, El? Kai. Ellie doesn't like it. Ellie doesn't like it. Yeah.
Go on then.
Yeah, she didn't like it because it was dark.
I know we don't want to, dear, but you're going to need so.
Jack.
Because Jack,
Doing really good, Jack.
Jack's at about the weight limit for that.
Oh. I didn't know it was like a...
That's mine!
We can go on the roller coaster.
Go.
Stay close, Kai. Stay close, Jack. Stay close. Yeah.
Oh, what can I say? Hi, look.
Kai, Jack. Aye. Ask the boys who want to go.
Yeah, who do you want to go on with? Mommy or Daddy? Daddy. I'll wait with that.
Kai, what's up there? Jack, stay close. And all this. Jack. Oh, we're gonna go this. Look at this. No, you won't be able to go in, it'll be locked. But look, great granddad Bob would have lived in something like this. Oh, hang on. Go on then. We're going to go in the car in a minute.
Are you coming on, Claire?
Yeah.
Jack, watch out.
Me?
Oh, Daddy's hand then. Jack, you want to go in the car? You got to hold Daddy's hand then. Okay, because you've got to come on the car with Daddy, haven't you? Jack! Jack! Come on! Come on, we're going on now! Come on, quick! Quick, Jack! Yeah. Yeah. This one.
Yes, that's mine.
Jack, come on then. You want to sit next to Kai? All right, low flashes.
I want to try.
Katie.
Baby. Baby.
Oh, you got to strap yourself in.
Oh, look at this button. See.
You got to strap in.
Yeah. I'm gonna put your seatbelt.
Yes, I've got to put my seatbelt on.
Yeah. I don't drive the car.
Oh.
Beep, 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 beep. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, we're gonna go.
Come on, girl. My car's not starting.
Yeah, so he's having to count. There you go. There you go. Look, what can you see?
I love it.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Yeah, I don't know where Mummy is. I don't know where Mummy is though. Oh, there's Mummy. Righto. Beep, beep. You could have been on here, Jack. We're on the pink car, aren't we? Yeah, good. Well, beep, beep. Oh. Hello, Mummy. Hello, Kai. Hello, Jack. Hello, Ellie. Hello, Princess. There's Mummy. Can you see Mummy? There's Mummy over there. See Mummy over there? There's Mummy over there. Oh. Yeah, they'll be coming back round again in a minute. Hey?
I'm going back to what? Kind of terrified. Okay.
Oh, he's hurting your belly.
Did you see the cowboy? What's this then? Yeah, no. Somebody doesn't sound happy up there. Kai, look at that. Go on then. Yes. And it's only going slow. It's... Kai, watch where you're going.
Oh, yeah.
No, you don't want to go in there. It's where people go to burn funny things. Yes, it's very silly. Because you could buy an awful lot of sweeties for that money. Yeah. I don't know. Ellie! Kai? Kai? Go on. Kai? No. Wait. You can go on it.
What?
He's above the tent height. Oh? Yeah.
Go.
Kai? Kai? Hi. I don't know if you can go on it. Because Mummy's with Ellie. What? You want to watch? Well, we can have a go with Daddy in a minute, okay? You can have a go with Daddy in a minute. You gonna watch, see what it does?
Yeah.
Go on then. You want to hold Daddy's hand?
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, look. You see Kai? There's Kai and there's Ellie. Oh, wow.
Oh, no, not me.
You want to go on that?
Yeah.
Or do you want to not go on that?
I want to go now.
You want to go on that with Daddy?
Oh. Bye. Can you see him, look? Get the top now. They're coming down here now, Carlo. We're going to see Jack and Dada.
Yeah. Yeah. We're going back to the car, Jack, but we're going this way.
Hi. Come on, Kai.
Want to go over the bridge? Aye?
Take her on that.
Yeah. Kai!
Can you hold it in case it can't?
He will go. Go on then. Kai? You want to go on there with Mummy? Kai? Kai, do you want to go on the horses? Jack? Jack? Are you going to get on, Jack? Or are you going to wait with Daddy? No, wait with Daddy. Jack? Jack, do you want to sit in the pushchair? No, we're going to watch Mummy. Jack? You want to go on the park? Hi. No. You didn't listen to Mummy and Daddy, did you? Then why did you run away? You will hold my hand and you will not let go. This is what a naughty boy looks like. Who runs off. What are you going to say?
Sorry, Daddy, I want
Yes, very naughty you running off. You have to say Oh, look at the sand pit.
What?
Look at the sand pit. Oh, look. And there's a train track. There must be a train. Look. Come and tell me about this dinosaur. What sort of dinosaur is it? What sort of dinosaur is it?
There's a boat in there. You can't get the boat out.
Jack?
You can't get the boat out.
Jack? I need you to tell me about this dinosaur. Kai? What sort of dinosaur's that?
What is it, a dinosaur?
Kai, you're too far away.
It's a big dinosaur coming up now. I never know what they're called.
Well, that's a triceratops.
You've been a good boy today, Jack.
Yeah, good boy, Jack.
You're a sticker today.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. We'll go roar at it then. Look at that one. It's on a vegetarian diet. And then look. And there's a diplodocus. He's a big one, isn't he? Oh, sorry, Brachiosaurus. Oh, what's this one? What's that one? It's a new one. Do you want to look at the other dinosaurs? You want to go this way? All right then. Wow, look, there's another one. It's a bit like the woods in Shetland. Oh, you didn't go to those woods, did you, Kai?
Yeah.
You weren't born yet. But Jack and Ellie did. Ellie's shaking her head and, oh, look. Rah. Wow. He needs to see a dentist, that T-Rex.
Yeah.
Kai, are we at the dingle? It's like the dingle. They've closed that one. Aye. Yeah. Oh, look. Look at this. Wow. Aye. Well, that is. Oh, look. He needs a dentist too. He's not been cleaning his teeth properly, has he? Ow. Yeah. Oh, West Mid Safari. You've been a good boy, Jack. Yeah. Kai's a bit overexcited.
Dinosaur. This way, Daisy. What is that? Dinosaur. Thank you. What are you doing? Oh my God. Oh no. Dinosaur. Oh.
Kai, what's that dinosaur doing? He's eating the car. Kai? I'm going that way. Look, dinosaur. Kai? Kai, look at this one. You're going to say hello to the dinosaur. You need the toilet. Yeah.
Whilst editing, I forgot to do an introduction that on the way home we went to IKEA in Warrington. So I just thought I would just put a little voice over just to say we're at the IKEA in Warrington. Give it a video. Hope you enjoy.
He's holding this. Wait, what are you doing? You need to calm down, little one.
You want to go on the pussy?
You're having fun, aren't you, Kai?
Yeah.
So is that the sort of kitchen
Yeah.
you'd like to save up to get? Yeah.
The colour's not too bad. It's like the off.
Hi. Let's hang this by you. Jack isn't allowed it.
Just on our way back home, we did film some footage in IKEA in Warrington, so we will put that in before, and I will do a separate haul for the IKEA. We spent
Too much.
all I can say, we just spent too much, but we haven't been to IKEA for a long time, have we? So we are on our way back home, so it's 6:30, so it's not too bad. We're about an hour away, so we'll be back about 7:30. So the kids will go to bed when they get in, and I don't know when this will be up because I've got a few. I've got to film them, but I have got a thing that's coming up on Wednesday. What is collaboration with some other people. That will be on Wednesday at 6 p.m. But I need to film that. I haven't filmed it yet. I'm so organised, aren't I? But they will be. I just don't know when we will, because I've been doing the editing. But this, I need to put car footage in, so I don't know when I'll have time to do it. But it will be up sometime. If it's up this week, it will be up next week sometime. So that's it really, isn't it? Did you have a nice time?
I think so.
The only thing, we went to Gulliver's World. It's very... The one we went to, I know there's quite a few. He was very old. He was dated, wasn't he?
He was feeling a bit run down.
So, but it was nice and whatever. We enjoyed it. It was nice as a change, and also it was quite nice for it to be special needs. So that's Ellie. I don't think I will put anything else in this vlog because I'll forget to end it, won't I? As I always do. But we'll get back and we'll put the kids to bed and collapse. So he's got a hospital appointment tomorrow. So he's getting ready for that. Something serious. It's he had kidney stones about 2 years ago. About 2 years ago he had kidney stones, and he has to go for a regular scan and everything, and I wanted him to go last week, and it was 8:10, and it just doesn't work for us because Kai has to be...
I have to ride my bike to take Kai to school.
Yeah, Kai has to be at school for 8:30, and I work on the taxi, and we just couldn't be in two places at once at all because it takes like 45-50 minutes to the nearest hospital, doesn't it? So you've got that tomorrow, isn't it? And then you're going to take Jack. Last week Jack had all these stickers, and as a treat you take it. He wanted some daddy time, didn't he? So he's going to take him out for that somewhere. I don't know where. So what I will do is I will love you and I will leave you. If you like the video, please give it a good thumbs up. If you like to subscribe, press the subscribe bell. It's totally free to subscribe. And we are, if you want a drum roll, we are at 453 subscribers. When we get to 500, I will put it in the community tag, because I think when you get to 500 you get a community thing up. I don't know how it works, but I'll also put it on Instagram. If you have got any up-to-date Q&As you want to ask me and Si, you can ask the kids if you want. Well, that's what we will do for our 500 subscribe. I sometimes think, why do you watch?
Yes, but we're not asking the questions, we're answering them.
Because you must think I talk a load of rubbish. I could have said something else then.
We're a family channel.
Because I just don't know why you watch us. Because our lives are not very... They're not very interesting, is it? It could be because of me, it could be because of... Just comment down below, why do you watch us? Do you watch us because of me, or Si, or the kids?
Mary, the videos I'm in, the views aren't as good.
So, it's not, it would just be nice to know, why do you watch us? Like, do you watch us because of the hauls we do, the cooking, stuff with the children? Just like a nice... I know I was laughing about it, but we just like to know what you like to watch from us, really. And I try to like, because so that's Jack. Because of the viewers, I will look at where I think the best videos are going, and we do repeat them a lot, don't we? Like the meals of the week, we do really good on the meals of the week. They might be boring for people because it's like we have the same thing over and over again, and that kind of thing. But it'd be nice to know what you like about our channel, wouldn't it? So I'm gonna go because the sun is in my eyes. It's like blinding.
You're not driving, friends.
If you like the video, press the like button. If you like to comment, press the comment button. And if you'd like to subscribe, press the subscribe button. It is totally free to subscribe. And we'll all see you on our next video. Say bye.